watching Plug Into English. I'm your TV host, Selena.
I'm your TV host, Tama.
And I'm Haley.
Recently, Mackay Junior College students from Department Apply for Language have an opportunity to intern in a well-known five-star hotel here in Taiwan.
Yes, and I'm sure during their internship program, they have their extraordinary and just extra experience. Working for a five-star hotel takes a lot of courage and excellence.
Speaking of extraordinary, today we have special guests from Mackay College Department of Applied Foreign Language to tell us more about their hotel internship.
Today's hot topic is extraordinary and just extra. Hello guys, good to have you on Plug Into English.
Good to be here.
Okay, we're going to start with Mika. Tell us about your extra internship.
Well, my internship was in a hotel housekeeping department, and I was grateful for the opportunity. Just to give it an insight, the duvet stories are mostly true, but if it looks clean and not wrinkly, it stays without being washed. Just to be clear, they are not meant to be slept on. I know many people are grossed out that they aren't changed regularly, but again, they are not supposed to be used as a blanket. There's a large warm blanket underneath with the sheets on it that is supposed to be used. Every single person who travels knows the horror stories accompanied with bed covers. So the right thing to do is to fold it and place it on the chair or floor.
I'm sure the hotel housekeeping has a vital reason why the duvets are not often changed. Thanks, Mika. Let's go to Phoebe. Tell us more about your hotel extra experience.
I worked at a five-star hotel for a few years, and I can think that you are asking about offhand, but I did have to meet a lot of famous people like Madonna, Mariah Carey, and Cruz, and even local. And I know that Mariah Carey made us to empty 5 rooms for her hair and makeup to be done in, and also 10 rooms for her hair and makeup people to stay in, and 5 rooms just for her clothes and stuff.
Oh, 5.
Also, we have to black out all her windows, install a door with no peepholes, and 15 humidifiers in her room.
Wow, that's some celebrity extra moment. No, though, on a serious note, it's really cool that you meet these celebrities just in your one internship.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jealous.
I'm so jealous. Okay, then let's go on with Samuel. Do you have any extra internship you want to share with our viewers?
Yeah, I am a bellman and valet at a 4-star hotel. I can give you free water bottles, valet parking, breath mint, tourists, and shuttle rides, reservation, dry cleaning, heck, even an upgrade to a better room if you just ask me. But no one ever does because they think I'm just a doorman.
Oh.
Yeah.
But now we know.
Bellmen have a good connection with housekeeping, room service, and the kitchen, and so on. I will say befriending to the bellboy will only be beneficial for you. If you give me the tip, I promise I'll remember you and hook you up. To approach me, give me money, consider it like an investment.
Yes, good point. Bellmen need to be expert extra service. Instead, guests automatically to put bellman in a bus.
Sometimes literally. One of my ex-coworker works for a hotel in US for a few years, and his HR rep told him that he had a $1,500 account for just like helping his guests in the hotel if he need. So there was one time a guy in the hotel lost his Rolex,
And he went to the front desk and asked, like, did anyone see it, or did the maid took it, and was like complaining over it. And after the guest finally left, the front desk went out and to go purchase a new one for him. And then afterwards came back and gave it to him, and he was extra happy. And so now he comes again like every year to the same hotel.
Wow.
So like now the employees in the hotel, they have like just a special account in like $1,500, just in need, like if the guests have like any problems, and they can just like right away. So not that many people know about this actually.
Wow, I'm so impressed by the extra steps most hotels have taken to please their guests. I must say, Formosa Restaurant has that reputation, and I have dined it for a couple of times. They really live up to their slogan, together we achieve extraordinary.
Yes, agree.
Totally.
Awesome.
Well, we really heard great insight from our special guest today.
Yeah, it is great to know that most hotels not only have the extraordinary moments, but the extras also are important.
If you want to know more about today's guest from Mackay Junior College Department Apply for a Language, go on our website, plugintoenglish.com, go the extra mile,
We supply
Foreign languages.
and plug into the rest of the world. Thank you for watching Plug into English. See you next time. Thank you.
Waiting for a five-star hotel is... Oh my god, no. I'm sorry.
So we keep going.
Speaking of extraordinary, today we have special guests from Mackay College of Apply for Language.
Just to be clear, they are not meant to be slept on. Do
What?
what?
This is really great insight of our viewers. I'm sure the hotel housekeeping department has a vital reason why the duets are not often used. Change.
Oh my God.
Oh my god. This is really great insight of our viewers. I'm sure the hotel housekeeping has a vital reason why the duets are not often changed. Thanks, Mika.
Where's Mika?
And
There.
it's
Oh, yeah.
Install her security. And
To approach me, give me money, consider like an investment. Yeah.
Oh no, you don't need to look at me for confirmation.
To approach me, give me money. Sorry. To approach me, give me money, consider like an investment.
One of my ex-coworker used to work in a hotel in US. One of my ex-coworkers, he used to work in a hotel in US. Yes, this is not something I. Okay.
Wow, I'm so impressed by the extra steps that the hotel industry took. Oh my god. Formosa Restaurant has that reputation, and I have dined there for a couple of times. They really have.
Go on our website, plugintoenglish.com, go the extra mile.
We supply
Foreign languages.
Woo! Yay! Okay, so I flew away from Taiwan to the United States, and the good
is because this is actually the first time I've ever been on an airplane.
Oh wow,
Like,
you're pretty brave.
Yes, there's a lot of people there, and I can barely finish a sentence in whole English. Like okay, here's the thing. The state I went to is Arkansas, and here's the thing. I don't. For a long time, I don't know it's pronounced Arkansas. I always thought it's pronounced like Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Yeah, because
anyone could make that mistake. Yeah.
Yeah, because the Kansas state is spelled almost the same, but it just is added an AR in front, so it's Arkansas. So I struggle a lot. Like after I flew there, there's a lot of things that I don't understand, and then of course when the teacher is trying to teach a class, I have to pretend I know everything, and I have to bring a little translator. Like they're not allowed to use phone or any electronic device.
Finally.
In class, yes, they are not allowed to use that. So the teacher allowed me to use the little translator. So so I struggle a lot because even though I have the translator, but sometimes because their accent that makes me feel like completely another language.
Yes.
But Arkansas is in the south area, and the music I listen to, the people I listen to when they speak English, they're all kind of like in the north. Like
Okay, so what did you learn or gain from that experience?
from that experience, I learned. Well, the super star thing is definitely my darkest memory. But now, at least now I overcome to it.
Yeah.
Is that a word? Yeah. Okay.
My glorious things, I think my glorious things is just now, yeah. Because I was the first time do this, like making some program and yeah, provide program just like a pop star.
Oh, so you
Yeah.
enjoy doing TV shows?
Yeah, I'm really
Okay.
enjoy, but I feel very nervous today. I think I'm afraid I will make a lot of mistake. So yeah, when I come in here, I pray to God. Yeah, and I pray to God that I hope God can make today's I can do perfect.
Okay, do you think God
Yeah.
answered your prayer?
Yeah, I think although I make a lot of mistake.
So how did he answer? Did he say, you did well, Samuel, but you still made mistakes? What did he say?
I think he answered me is you're done very well.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I think today things I feel very glorious because this is my first time to do this. Actually, second time, yeah.
Second time,
Yeah,
third time.
second time, but first time is a long ago.
Oh, yeah. So it's good that Samuel, you have experience. That's why you're here today. And you know what? I wish you more opportunities for you to go and just plug into the world, in the media world, right?
Yeah, but maybe if I got that job, I will feel nervous more than today.
Okay, it's fine. You don't have to feel nervous. You can just do your best.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for sharing, Samuel. See you later.
Okay, bye.
So like, I go to church like every week since I'm like 3 years old. So
Since you were 3, wow.
yeah, and
okay.
I love children. So I used to like always help in the classes to be like the teacher's assistant, like help out like what they need, or like maybe like when the kids are like being naughty and noisy, I would just like tell them to like go to the office and like quiet down.
How did you tell them? You're like, go to the office.
Just like stand up, something like that. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then like, and like maybe like 3-4 years ago, I was still in junior, but then like the church principal actually asked me like, hey, you're doing well as like a teacher's assistant. Do you want to like actually be teaching the kids? But I was like only like 15 years old. Yeah, but
Wow, that's pretty young,
Yeah.
to teach children, and be like their overseer. Good on you.
it was like I feel like very proud of myself.
Yeah.
Because it was like cool, like this young age, and like they ask you to kind of actually be like a teacher to like teach them something. So it was fun, like, but sometimes of course kids are annoying.
Aren't we all?
I mean, yeah, but it's
Yeah.
fun and like great experience to like just
Yeah.
go. And it's like maybe like it kind of like it reminds me like even though you're in like a young age or like you're like not that grown up yet or like mature, but like you can still do a lot of things. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. You know, it doesn't matter how old you are. If you have passion about something, why not take the extra mile and just go for it? Someone could be watching, and then the opportunity will come, right?
Yep.
And I think that's what you did with your glorious moment. Cool. Thanks for sharing. I should start doing something with my life. Thank you.
Thank you.
Talk to you next time, Elena.
Okay.
Okay,
See you.
bye.
My glorious moment actually is a lot because I'm not confident for myself. So all of my glorious moments from the parents' smile that gave to me.
Huh. I can't tell. You look pretty confident to me.
Actually, I'm not. I'm afraid of a lot of things, but when I do something right, like let's take an example. Like my math is not good when I was little.
Okay, join the club.
And then one day I got a high point, like 85. My dad was like, "Wow, that's very nice. See how well you done." I was like, "Oh." My dad feel proud about me, and I feel proud about myself too. That's the glorious moment, I think.
That's pretty special. So if you're a parent out there, remember, right, to encourage your children and encourage them to do the best no matter what. Why? Because they gain confidence, right? Through what? Their smile. Let me see your smile. Thank you, Selena.
Okay.
I hope you can come back next time.
I will.
Okay, bye.
Bye.